So I've just spent some proper seat time on the 2026 Kawasaki ZX6R, and the big question is it still worth buying this year? Honestly, the first thing that hits you is that classic 636 inline-4 engine. It's smooth, it's angry when you rev it out, and once you hit that 8 to 14k RPM zone, it just comes alive. There's nothing tame about it. Now, Kawasaki hasn't really changed the formula for 2026. You're still getting the same engine, same chassis feel, and that same razor-sharp supersport DNA. What you do get is updated styling, a fresh TFT display with Bluetooth, riding modes, traction control, and a quick shifter for upshifts. So it feels modern, but not revolutionary. On the road, it's exactly what you expect from a supersport. Aggressive riding position, not exactly commuter-friendly, but in the corners it feels planted and confidence-inspiring. It's one of those bikes that makes you want to find twisty roads, not traffic. But here's the honest part. It's not perfect. Long rides get uncomfortable, and the tech is good, but not class-leading compared to newer rivals. So is it worth buying in 2026? If you want pure supersport excitement with that legendary Kawasaki scream, yes. But if you want comfort or cutting-edge tech, there are better options out there.